Here are 10 Amazon unique and useful space-saving gadgets. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in the comments section. And if you're watching from a TV or an iPad, go ahead and scan the QR code on screen now. Nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way. Welcome to the future of cost-effective ink-free printing with this thermal printer. Say goodbye to expensive ink, toner, and ribbons, and hello to hassle-free, economical printing for all of your needs. You can print recipes, forms, letters, assignments, study materials, travel documents, and so much more without breaking the bank. It's perfect for home, small office, and school. Need to print on the go? This mobile Bluetooth printer is your reliable companion, whether you're in the car, backpacking, or on a business trip. Effortless setup is at your fingertips. Connect to your smartphone with iOS and Android systems via Bluetooth, or use it as a compact printer for your laptop or computer. Setup takes just 5 minutes from unboxing, making it a breeze to get started. Experience crystal clear printing quality with this portable travel printer. It offers continuous printing for up to 3 hours and 360 sheets on a single charge. This is absolutely so impressive in my opinion. No need for a big bulky printer taking up precious real estate in your home and in your car. This portable printer is currently on sale for a limited time, 29% off, plus there's an additional $15 off coupon. I'm also going to link some really great thermal paper below. You are going to love this kitchen hack, the microwavable potato bag. It's perfect for cooking all types of potatoes, corn on the cob, bread, tortillas, and more. This potato bag creates a steam pocket to cook your potatoes in just 4 minutes. No need to cook stuff in plastic bags anymore. It's fast, easy, and keeps your food deliciously moist. It's washable and reusable. Say goodbye to the hassle of boiling or baking. Just pop it in the microwave and you are good to go. I love using it for sweet potatoes. It's perfect for busy families, students, and anyone who loves a quick and tasty meal. This, my friend, makes meal prep a breeze, even faster than my favorite air fryer. Right now on Amazon, this microwave potato bag is just about $10. Amazing. Here's the ultimate solution for clean, convenient hand washing. The automatic touchless soap dispenser. When your hands are greasy and in need of a thorough wash, you don't need to worry about getting the pump dirty. This touchless soap dispenser dispenses soap without any contact, keeping everything clean and hygienic. Perfect for my kids especially. It provides nearly 100 days of use on a single charge. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and so much more, not to mention making your space look oh so chic. Keep your hands and home clean with ease. This automatic soap dispenser comes in a couple different color options. Right now on Amazon, it's just about $26. We are loving this in my home. This might be my favorite item in this video. I don't know, they're all so great. This rolling backpack not only fits under an airport seat, but you can also put it in the overhead carrying compartment. No need will you need to put weight on your back, get sore shoulders and neck. You can easily roll your backpack wherever you need to. There's a really great zip pocket that conceals the handle, allowing you to convert it into a carry-on backpack effortlessly. It's also designed for tech-savvy travelers. The detachable sleeve fits up to a 17-inch laptop and a 10.5-inch tablet. It also has built-in tuck-away wheels to cover. You can keep your clothes clean when using the backpack as the carry-on. When not needed, simply tuck the cover into its zip pocket. The convertible shoulder strap can be hidden when using the backpack as carry-on luggage. Grab the top handle on the go and use the new fasten loops to organize the straps when carrying it as a backpack. This travel backpack is going to help you enjoy a seamless travel experience. It works not only for a grown adult such as myself, but it also works fantastic for my 10-year-old daughter. And she loves it even more because she can fit so much more inside of this super cute rolling backpack. Right now on Amazon, there's a 10% off coupon. We have black, light green, navy blue, and of course the pink. You're gonna love this 3-in-1 cord organizer clip. It's your ultimate solution for keeping cables neat and organized. It has the ability to hold 3 wires simultaneously. The spring clip in the middle and 2 hole clips on the sides allow for smooth yet sturdy cable management. Press your cords in and out effortlessly while keeping them securely in place. You can organize your cords in various spaces around your home: kitchen, nightstand, office, desktop, table corner, wall, or even inside your car. It comes with a strong adhesive pad that sticks easily to any surface. Plus, the adhesive can be easily removed and replaced without leaving residue and damaging surfaces. Using the 3-in-1 cord organizer spring clip holder is so easy. Tear off the sticker on the base, stick it to a smooth surface like wood, marble, plastic, and glass, and press the cables into the holders. Say goodbye to tangled and messy cords. Keep your space tidy, organized, and safe. Right now on Amazon, you can get a 3-pack for just about $8. Plus, you can save 10% when you buy 2. Looking for the best military-grade phone holder? I've got you covered. It has the strongest suction cup on the market, boasting a suction power of 60+ pounds. I can't even believe it. The suction cup is UV resistant, never melts, and leaves no marks, eliminating the need for a dashboard pad. It's also great as a desk phone holder for hands-free video calls. And this is amazing. Right now on Amazon, it's on sale for a limited time deal, 15% off. It's just under $30. I've had my fair share experience with phone mounts, and this one is impeccable. It also comes in a variety of different color options. Oily skin, I have the perfect solution for you that's going to make you glow but not look wet. I am loving this natural green tea blotting paper. It's infused with green tea extract that will keep your skin clean and fresh all day long, helping reduce future breakouts. Here's what's amazing about these compared to all the others. They have extra large sheets, which are 25% larger than standard oil pads. Clean your entire T-zone with just one sheet, saving you time and money. It's easy to carry and use, and these sheets keep your makeup looking fresh without smudging. Just pull out a sheet, pat your skin, and you're ready to shine without the shine. This is my favorite companion for a flawless complexion anytime, anywhere. And right now you can get 300 blotting papers for just about $9. You can also save up to 10% off with a qualifying purchase. Looking for the best travel makeup organizer, or maybe you just want to get more organized in your home? You'll love this. There are 3 different light settings so that you can look and feel your best: warm, natural, and a cold light setting. And if you long press the button, it's going to control the brightness of the light, which ensures the perfect lighting for any environment. It also has a versatile mirror stand with 30, 60, 90, and 360-degree adjustments. The makeup box also has 5 removable sections so that you can customize it based on your products. Say goodbye to messy makeup bags and hello to organized, safe, and spill-free storage. Plus, the roomy brush bag keeps your brushes clean and ready for use. This makeup bag is designed with a smooth anti-corrosion zipper and a luggage elastic band for easy carrying. Also has a 10 times magnifying mirror so you can really make sure that you didn't miss any spots. If you're looking to save space in your suitcase, you can easily strap it to your luggage. It comes in a few different color options. This is a steal of a deal. And let me just tell you, I am loving the mirror. I also use it in my bathroom on an everyday basis. Want the ultimate solution for effortless cleaning? I have got you covered. These tablets dissolve quickly, creating a powerful cleaning solution that tackles dirt, grime, and stains on wood, ceramic, metal, glass, and so much more. You can clean every corner in your home with these tablets. You can enjoy a soothing lavender scent every time you clean. In fact, this makes me want to clean more often. Your home will smell fresh and inviting while effectively eliminating odors and maintaining long-lasting freshness. It's safe and family-friendly, non-toxic, and the gentle formula is free from harsh chemicals, making it safe for use on all household surfaces. Cost-effective and space-saving as well. Say goodbye to single-use bottles and embrace the convenience and savings of the refillable cleaning supplies. And right now on Amazon, you can get 24 tablets for just about $11. Now, this might be my favorite product in this video. I don't know, they're all so good, but this car trash can with lid we are absolutely loving. It works perfectly in any vehicle. This compact yet spacious car trash bag offers a large 2-gallon capacity, ensuring your vehicle stays clean and clutter-free.
Flashback.
I need Kleenex, Dad.
All right, here you go.
I'm done, Dad.
What'd you do with it?
It's
It's on the floor?
the present day.
It includes extension for adjustable straps, ensuring smooth installation in all vehicle types. Easily take out the leak-proof detachable liner without removing the car garbage can. And the unique side flaps conveniently fix disposable bags inside for even easier tossing. It's easy to wipe clean with a wet cloth, ensuring a pristine-looking garbage can every time. It's also sturdy and anti-slip with 2 anti-slip bottom fasteners. This trash can stays in place while driving, avoiding spills and messes. The smart lid makes it easy to keep the odors inside, maintaining a fresh-smelling vehicle. There's also 3 outer pockets for additional storage. You know I love that. And this is just under $20. My family and I are loving this. And in fact, our cars have never looked cleaner. And 2 quick bonus items for you that I am loving. This half-zip sweater I am wearing everywhere, especially when it gets really cold inside with air conditioning or cold nights by campfires or late night walks. It's the perfect blend of comfort and style, which is perfect for any body shape. The quarter zip pullover features a smooth zipper and long sleeves, offering a loose fit that keeps you warm in fall, winter, and even summer. Lots of different color options available for you. It has a cozy fleece lining, which I am loving, and you can pair it with shorts, pants, or jeans for a really versatile look. With this one, you get both comfort and style. Stay warm, stay chic, and comfortable. This is also a clothing find that I am loving, this striped pullover. It's soft, loose fitting, and super cute. The slightly stretchy fabric makes it for summer, fall, and winter. The striped color block design adds a chic and stylish touch. I love wearing this lounging around my home or out and about. This sweatshirt is perfect for any setting. Right now on Amazon, this super cute sweatshirt is about $27, and there's an additional 20% off coupon. So many beautiful color options. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning for the hottest daily deals, especially on Instagram stories. Sign up for the free weekly newsletter linked in the description box below, and click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.